So as you can see, I have a special guest with me. This is my niece,
Ariel.
Okay. So the video that I'm gonna do today is about people that aren't related to, well, not related, people that aren't your children, but act like you. But you don't necessarily have to be related to someone to act like them. I feel like she looks like me, and I'm like, girl, I'm like, you ugly.
Like your daddy's son.
Hey, hey, go crazy, hey. Whoop.
Skinny jeans on and you know my hair. Nappy.
But no, for real, when I tell her that, I'm like, you ugly.
But I look just like you.
She's sassy like me, as you can see. She's like, y'all saw the hair flip? She said, but I look just like you. Like, oh no. Oh, we do silly dances together, like, all the time. Like, all the time.
Like Orange Justice, the flaws, the hype. I said the flaws.
You want to show them how, the Orange Justice that we be doing?
Yeah. You do the Orange Justice.
Well, I mean, we can't show our legs right now, so I gotta be all stupid like this. Oh, we be hyping each other up. Like, this my hype girl. Hey, 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 whoop, whoop. Hey, we love making, yes, hair flip. We love making dumb faces together. Like,
Boy.
And honestly, she's like my best friend. She gets on my nerves a lot of the times because she's like me, but it's my best friend. Yeah. But I don't know really what else to say, but guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Oh, and since it's my last video of the year, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh, we didn't even plan that. We didn't plan that. But thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Mwah.
See you on January.